Hi there, and welcome to this quick and helpful guide on how to change your display name in the Discord app on your Android phone. If you're new to Discord or just want to update your name for a fresh look, I'll walk you through the simple steps to get it done. First, open the Discord app on your Android phone. Next, tap on Settings icon at top right corner. Then, scroll down slightly and tap on Account. Now, tap on Display Name. From the list of options, delete the current name and type your new desired display name. Once you've entered the new name, tap Save at the top right corner to confirm the change, and you'll see your updated display name in effect. That's it. Your display name on Discord has been successfully changed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and stay tuned for more tech tutorials.